it's Corinfrae. Y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome back. Today we'll be doing a maintenance vlog, and y'all, keep in mind my eye is burning. This morning this soap tried to kill me. Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. That went in my eye, but it's feeling a little better now. It's still like here hurting, but it's okay. We're gonna get these lashes and we're gonna be fun, even more fun. But my mom is driving me today because y'all, my car is like in the stage, throw it away. It's not working. Y'all tune in, and this is my new lash tech. Go ahead, mom. Each video I do, y'all gonna see her. She's really good, y'all.
How's your eye?
I have salami and ham. Salami and ham. I gotta get to the channel. We're doing a vlog today. That's what it feels like when y'all record on YouTube.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I love it. It's so beautiful, y'all. I'm trying to get the lighting good, and it's this bump right here, y'all. I'm gonna put an acne patch on it tonight, but the lashes are beautiful, y'all. Go with her, like, she did a great job. But after this, okay, we're on our way home. As y'all saw in the last clip, I got in the lift and was on my way to my mom. She got her nails done already, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, it ripped her off, but she like it though. Ooh, I gotta clean my edges. Yeah, I use a different gel this today. I don't like how it did my edges. Okay, y'all, so I just dropped my mom to my grandma's house, and we just using this to back up. So I'm gonna get my nails done. Now I'm gonna run this thing over. Y'all, I could drive, I promise, when I'm not on the curb. Okay. Hold on, let me get this together, then I'll go ahead. Looking at me. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. It's not like, I would love to support black girls, black owned businesses to get my nails done, but I'm really last minute, and I didn't because my car is not working, I didn't want to book something that I know I'm not gonna be able to show up for, or I'm gonna be late to. So I just went on ahead and said I'm not gonna do it like that. I don't know, y'all probably like, why is she moving so much? There's nothing going on right now, so I'm gonna just show y'all when I get there. It's a little ghetto, but it's okay, we love the hood. Y'all, it's really not a place for me to sit my camera, like, girl, why the steering wheel so up here? Let me see if I can put the steering wheel down real quick. This car is not like my car where you could put the thing down. Oh, there we go. Okay, y'all, so it's currently 3:09. If y'all could see that, my phone is finna die. Y'all really pray, like, I really hope it's not too full. Like, I don't like waiting, but you know, sometimes you got to. But It's New Year's. I know it's gonna be packed, but y'all, I hope not.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out.
Okay, y'all, I finished. My nails are super cute, but my toes.
Like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make
Yeah, so we have Publix. I'm trying to use my flash to get as much light as possible. This vlog is literally everywhere, as a vlog should, but I don't really think I did anything that's too spectacular. But I do love that I got my lashes done and my nails and my feet. Alright, y'all, so we looking for my brother. Okay. He's trying to be in the camera. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. I know I'm bad. I'm sorry, we're doing a vlog. Thank you.
Yours in here too.
Hi, it tastes. You got raspberry jam? Come on. Bite it. It's nasty.
Ew.
So y'all, now we in the fruit aisle. Y'all, what's your favorite fruit? Comment down your favorite fruit. Mine is cantaloupe. The best fruit ever.
Want to taste it?
Cantaloupe.
Mama, you gotta taste it. I tasted it.
I don't like pistachio.
Bro, taste it.
I just got it because it's green.
Taste it. Just bite a little piece. Or break a little piece. I'll taste it.
Nah, put this back in.
Taste it.
Yeah, I can't. Like, I just got it because it's green. That's my favorite color, but
And I give you the bag of shots. See here? I got a camera. Yeah. Sensation.
so y'all, we put a cake in here because it's my grandma's birthday in January 1st.
Look, get it. It don't taste like pistachio.
Why you got your hand all over that? You really think I'm gonna eat that, Antoine?
You don't want to eat
And
it?
you smell, no. Y'all, it's the fact that people keep looking like, I don't want to be in this girl video. Yeah, that was my video. Yeah, I feel so weird because I don't have a tripod, so I got my hand up in the air.